We'll guide you through how to show keyframes in Premiere Pro. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Click File on the top menu, then select Import from the menu. Choose the media file you want to use from your computer, then click Open to import it into the project panel. After the file has been successfully imported, drag the media clip onto the timeline to create a new sequence or place it into an existing one. Once the clip is ready on the timeline, go to the Effect Controls panel, which allows you to adjust various properties of your selected clip. In this panel, determine the type of keyframe you want to create, for example opacity, which controls the transparency of the clip. Scroll down until you find the opacity section, then click the toggle animation icon in that section to enable keyframes. This action activates keyframe animation for the selected parameter. After enabling keyframes, adjust the opacity value according to your needs. This will create the first keyframe at the current position of the playhead. Next, move the playhead to a different point on the timeline where you want the next change to occur. Once the playhead is in the new position, adjust the opacity value again. Premiere Pro will automatically create another keyframe based on the new value and position. To view the keyframes directly on the timeline, move the playhead back to the beginning of the video for better visibility. Then right-click on the media clip layer in the timeline to open additional options. Find and click Show Clip Keyframes, which allows you to display animated parameters on the clip. From the available options, select the keyframe parameter you want to display, for example opacity, and then select opacity again to activate your choice. Once selected, the keyframes will now appear on the media clip layer in the timeline as visible points along the line. These points represent changes in the selected parameter over time. You can also adjust the keyframes directly on the timeline by clicking and dragging them to refine the animation as needed. Press Enter on the keyboard or click the play button in the program monitor to preview the result and ensure the animation works smoothly.